In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add CC in email template Salesforce. By the end, you'll know exactly where to find the CC field in the Salesforce email composer, how to add the right contacts, and how to manage the email panel so you can keep working without losing your place. Start from the Salesforce homepage in Lightning Experience. This is the central starting point where you can access your apps, records, and recent activity. From here, click the Sales app. This switches your workspace to the standard sales setup, which includes leads, accounts, contacts, and opportunities. If your screen looks a little different, that's okay. Just make sure you're in the app where your target record lives so you can open the email composer from the record itself. Next, open a test record you can safely use for practice. In this walkthrough, we're opening a test account or lead just to demonstrate the flow without affecting real customers. Using a test record is a great habit, especially if you're getting familiar with the email panel or trying out message variations. Once the record is open, look for the email action in the activity panel. Click email to bring up the composer. This panel anchors to the bottom of your screen in Lightning and gives you the to, CC, subject, and body fields, along with send, formatting options, and attachments, depending on your org's configuration. To add a CC, click the CC link. This expands an additional recipient field designed for people who need visibility but aren't the primary recipient. Type the email address you want to keep in the loop. Take a second to confirm spelling and domain, since bounced messages usually happen because of small typos. If your organization uses specific distribution lists for visibility, this is where you add them. Keep in mind that CC recipients will receive the exact same message as the primary recipient, and their addresses may be visible to others on the thread, so include only those who genuinely need to be copied. Now enter a clear, concise subject line. The subject sets expectations and can improve open rates, so be direct and consistent with your team's conventions. Short, action-oriented subjects work well. After the subject, click into the body area of the email. This puts your cursor in the main message field so you can compose or review your content. If you typically use templates, this is a good moment to confirm the text is accurate for the current record and that any merge fields have pulled the correct details. Because CC recipients receive the same body content, quickly scan for tone and context to ensure it's suitable for everyone you're copying. When your message looks good, click Send. Salesforce logs the email to the record's activity timeline so your team can see the interaction and CC details later. If you're testing, you might send to a monitored inbox first to verify formatting, then repeat the process with your real recipients once everything checks out. After sending, you'll see controls in the email panel that help you manage your workspace. Click the minimize icon to tuck the panel away while you continue working on the record. This is handy when you need to reference other fields without closing your draft in progress. When you're ready to focus on the email again, click Expand to bring the panel back to full size and regain the full editing view. If you're finished with the panel, click the X to close it. Don't worry, if you already sent the message, it's recorded on the timeline. If you close the panel before sending, you can reopen the email composer at any time by clicking email on the record again and continue from there. That's the full process. Open your record, reveal the CC field, add the right addresses, complete the subject and body, send, and use the panel controls to minimize, expand, or close as needed. Thanks for watching, and now you're ready to confidently add CC in Salesforce whenever you send an email.